Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial we are going to change value in variable through pointer. So let me type that on screen. Integer, let's say number equals some value, who cares? So let's print it right now like original value at the moment. Okay, and you're gonna do that just stating name of variable, and the result will be obvious, 4323. There you go. So now let's change this stuff, I mean the value in variable directly, okay, without pointers. So number equals 5555, let's say, and now let's print our report like new value, number and line. So there is no complicated stuff here. We are just using name of variable here when we assign new value to it. So there is no need to use integer down there because we already created it here. So new value will be 5555. There you go. And the reason why I have both of these lines here is just for your reference to track those changes. So let me concatenate this stuff to have a little bit of place on the screen. Now pointers, let's create one. What is data type? Integer. How to get with this? Star and convention ptr number, and then we'll use ampersand. This is how you get actual physical address. What is our target? This container, this variable. And now let's just print physical address of that container. Cout actual address. What I typed here? Actual address, yeah. So ptr number and line. So every time when you want to grab, well, actual address, you want to use pointer here without star, okay, without star. This is just for physical address. Let me print this stuff, and there you go. Okay, so let's change value in here but using this and not name of container, name of variable. So we are doing change here through pointer. So how to do that? Well, easy. Use star ptr number equals new value and finish with semicolon because this is instruction. So cout value now after pointer change. I mean, it's not change of pointer. We are not changing physical address. We are just using pointer as a man in the middle to change stuff in here. So pointers are just man in the middles in this case. And how to print new value? So please remember, we are not printing address. We don't care in this moment about actual address. We are just using it to get to here. So how to do that? Well, here use star and ptr number. And now we will get 10,000. There you go. And okay, so let's also print 10,000 but through variable. Those things will be same because they are same. So cout, and let me just type number here, number and line, and again you will have 10,000. There you go. End result. So let me repeat one more time because some people will find this confusing. You're gonna use star every time when you're constructing pointer. There you go. You're gonna use star every time when you assign new value through pointer. There you go. And you're gonna use star every time when you wanna grab actual value. So you will not use star only if you care for some reason about low level physical address in the moment of time. So this is the only way when you want to use ptr number without star here. So 3 cases for stars: when you are creating pointer, when you are assigning new value, and when you are printing value. And no star if you care only about that, how to explain this, that memory chip. So this thing is caring about memory chip, and this thing and this thing and that thing is caring about values. Okay, so think about that. Now if this is confusing, just delete this stuff all over again and start with I don't know, with the character here, or with the string, or with the float, something like that. If you are confused still, then just grab a piece of paper and then try to stare at this stuff and like write stuff manually on piece of paper and try in your head to imagine how these things rolls and what kind of result you will get in a specific pass when I click here, and then you will get that over time. Give yourself 15 minutes, 1 day, 15 days, as much as you need, but over time I can guarantee that you will figure this out, because if I can do it, then you can do it. That's about it. I'm gonna shut up and render this video. Thank you for watching. See you next one.